Hello everyone, I'm Stringsaway and this is the Pokemon Froakie. In this short video, I'm just going to show you how to do the puff stitches that are for Froakie's nostrils, and also this one little piece right here is all made from the same method, which I will show you now. So what I did for these puff stitches was I made a chain of just 2, so 1, 2, and then I worked a puff into this first stitch in the chain. Stop focusing on Froakie. I just kept wrapping around my hook until there were 7 loops on the hook. So now we have 2, now we have 3, now we have 4, now we have 5, now we have 6, and now we have 7. And it's getting pretty tight on here. And then you grab one and pull it through them all. No! Always happens on camera. We got it. And then I just do like a slip stitch or whatever this is called to seal it off. And then that's it. So we're gonna cut this off. And then if you like, you can even like tie these together. I guess I should have made a longer tail for sewing, but it's fine. You can just leave a longer tail on the second one. And that's pretty much it. So there's the little puff. And then again, you would make 3 of these and they are sewn onto his nose. Two of them right there. And then the third one will go underneath the neck. The rest of this is all one piece, but this last one you have to make with the puff. That's it. I hope you found this video useful. Good luck. This Froakie pattern is... I think it's difficult. It doesn't really follow proper crocheting rules, so if you're giving it a try, good luck to you, and thanks for stopping by my site and my channel. Bye!